Let's get into this Java course. Here I'll go into from basics till how you can make an enterprise or a standard applications with Java. Let's get on to the course. So Java is a very powerful and versatile programming language. It's been there for a long time like C and C++, and it's widely used in the backend side of the web applications, and it's widely used in enterprise applications and web development. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamentals of Java programming and also build some enterprise applications and web solutions. We'll go on a step-by-step basis so that you get a grasp of the concept of Java, and also delve into the more modern concepts like Spring Boot and Kotlin sort of technologies, which is clubbed with Java. So as for Java basics, there are basically variables, data types, and operators. And we have control flow statements like if, else, switch, which is basically for other programming languages also. And we have loops, for and while, and array and collections. So Java is an object-oriented programming language. That is, it has classes and objects, and the concept of inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation is also there. Abstract classes and interfaces, and exception handling. Classes are basically templates where you can use the same thing again and again, which is not in the procedural language like C and C++ has it, but C is a procedural language where you have only functions. But in Java, you can make classes and templates which can be reused. So Java Standard Edition, in this we have file IO operations, serialization and deserialization, multi-threading and concurrency, and networking and socket programming. We'll go into this one by one. And Java Standard Applications is something like in Windows you can create applications like which runs just on Windows. It doesn't have network connectivity or something like that. It just runs on Windows. The good thing is once you code a Java application for Windows, it will run on Linux or any other platform. Since Java runs on the Java virtual machine, so therefore you just have to code once, and this can be used in many platforms as possible. So in case of Java Enterprise Edition, Java EE for web development, we'll go into something like introduction into Java EE architecture, servlets and Java server pages, Java persistence APIs, JPA, and JDBC for database connectivity, Java database connectivity. And then we'll go into enterprise Java beans for building enterprise components, RESTful web services for development using JAX and RS, and introduction into Spring framework for dependency injection and multi and model view control pattern. And also we'll get a short introduction on Kotlin. So as for practical demo, I'll show different ways of using Java in Eclipse, and then I'll also show building a dynamic web application, that is a front-end web development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This will be the front-end part and how Java is used in the backend. Integration of Java backend with front-end with using servlets, JSP, and Ajax, and handling forms, user input validation, session management, cookies, and security considerations in web development, which includes authentication, authorization, and HTTPS. So as for deployment and testing, I will introduce you to packaging and deploying of Java web applications, how it can be done, continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines, testing strategies, unit testing. So testing strategies, unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing, what these concepts are and how we can basically work on it and what's it used for, and performance tuning and optimization techniques, which is done in this domain of Java web applications. So as Java remains a very important programming language, dominant force in the enterprise application still, although it's been there for a long time, although we have a new technology, still Java remains the force for web development in the backend, and due to its robustness, platform independence, and vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. By mastering Java fundamentals and its applications in enterprise and web development, you'll be able to build scalable, secure, and high performance software solutions. And this tutorial will be a springboard, a starting point for your journey in the world of Java, enterprise, and web development, and also dwell deeper into each topic and also modern web development technologies.